Welcome to the MST100 installation and pairing instructional video. This timer fitting a 3/4 inch outdoor faucet with a 3/4 inch male hose thread outlet. You're away on vacation, and your plants need watering. Just control it via the Meross app or tell Alexa, Siri, or Google. You can also create customized watering plans for automatic irrigation. More features can be found on the sales page. Stay tuned as we guide you through the installation process. Let's get your garden smart watering ready. Before we begin unboxing, open up that Meross Smart Sprinkler Timer box. Inside, you'll find the timer itself, a user manual, a roll of PTFE tape, and a smart hub that only comes with the kit version. Let's get to the first step. Choose a spot for your hub installation. Ensure it has a strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal and is relatively close to where you'll set up the timer, with minimal obstacles between them. Step 2. Power on the smart hub. Step 3. Connect your smartphone to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Download and open the Meross app, and click Plus. Choose Smart Hub. Scan the code, pair. Step 4. Grab 4 1.5 VAA alkaline batteries and flat screwdriver. Due to the waterproof design of the battery compartment, it may be relatively tight. If you can't pull it out, you can use a screwdriver to gently pry it open. Install the batteries. And put it back in. The timer will be powered on. Step 5. Click Plus. Choose Smart Sprinkler Timer, and follow the guide to pairing it with the Smart Hub. Once that's done, your timer is all set up. You can now control and manage it through the Meross app. If you use an iPhone for setup, the device will automatically be added to the Apple Home app as well. For Alexa and Google, go to the Meross app user page to link. Step 6. Now, you can connect the timer to your outdoor faucet and enjoy your watering. Thanks for watching this installation video, and remember, if you ever need a hand, we've got your back with customer support.